Hi, my name is Joseph Mungi. I'm the CEO of Finatrack Global Limited. Finatrack Global Limited is a licensed application service provider which is licensed by the Communication Authority of Kenya to offer specialized GPS tracking and fleet management solutions. We've recently added a couple of new services to complement and serve our clients better within the motor industry field. So we've categorized them into four main areas. So the first area is security. So we've added additional services such as alarms. We've also added tint services. We've also added identity services, whereby we can identity refers to the writing of the registration details on the windscreen, the mirrors, or maybe even the lights. We've also added to that riveting. So riveting, this entails fixing portable parts mainly outside the vehicle and making them more firm. Next to that, we've introduced things related to quality, the quality of the use of the vehicle. So we've introduced AC gas refilling. So the AC gas refilling is mainly the air conditioner gas refilling, which usually runs out after some time. We've also introduced headlight cleaning. This is to help with clarity and efficiency of the headlights. We've also added additional services such as a replacement of the ordinary bulbs with LED bulbs to also increase the brightness and the usability of these particular headlights. And on to repair and maintenance, which is our third key area, which we've introduced recently. So we've added mechanical services, electrical services, and we've also added towing. In the event of an accident or breakdown, you can easily tow your vehicle with our own tow trucks. We've also added bodyworks and painting in the event of accident or a major accident or minor accidents. Next and finally, we've added also entertainment, because we believe it's not always about thinking about the security bit or the problems within the vehicle. So for the entertainment bit, we've added additional services such as introduction of expanders, whereby mainly the imported vehicles have a set frequency. So you're limited to the number of channels maybe you can be listening to. So we've added services such as the expander. And for people who also want to replace the whole entertainment unit, that's the radio or the screens, we've also added those products and services to our catalogs. And finally, we also have additional accessories for those who need the additional accessories. This can be electrical or the body attachments. And the best part about these two services is that they are mobile, and you can also receive these services at our workshop along Mombasa Road, Mlolongo area, opposite AIC Kasina Church. It's just along Mombasa Road. It's also near the Mlolongo Way Bridge. But for efficiency, you can easily log in to our website and book an appointment, and one of our technicians can meet you at your nearest location and offer these particular services to you at very competitive rates and at very good qualities. Thank you, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.